Why birds migrate? Maybe some of you know about that, but now I'm here today to make you more understand about that. Now let's jump right into it. And I will divide this into 4 parts. And let's start with the first part. Why do birds migrate? When the season changes, some animals will migrate to where the food will be. Birds are good at migrating because they can fly anywhere. Yes. The Arctic is only take the route that cover hundreds of miles, while others take the route of thousands of miles. And let's jump to the second part. Where do birds migrate to? Birds, when the season changes, birds will migrate to where the food will be. Usually, they will leave the north and migrate to the south, where it's warmer and the daylight are longer. And the third part, you see, south are better than north because it's often warmer and the daylights are longer. But why don't they stay here for the odd time? The reason is when spring comes to north, the daylight become longer, so they have more time to find food. Flowers start growing and there's insects around there, so there's also fewer predators in the north too. And how do birds migrate? And how do birds migrate is still a mystery to scientists, and how they have enough energy for a long trip. Some scientists think that they stop fast for a long trip, but how the birds migrate still a mystery to scientists. Scientists think that they have a special adaptations that are in their body that act like a compass. This happens to use the sun, the moon, the star, and Earth's magnetic field to find their way. And here I have a bonus part about how they migrate. And the first, beside the adaptations that act like a compass, the birds also use other things to find their way too. First one is visual landmarks. Birds use visual landmarks so that rivers and mountain range to find their way. The second one is geographic knowledge. Some birds have an innate sense of the geographic layout of their routes passed down to generations. The last one is environmental cues. Birds also use environmental cues such as winds, temperature changes, and food availability to determine when and where to migrate. And that's all. That's the end of my presentation. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Okay.